Understanding the phrase, in one's cups, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the interesting phrase, in one's cups. This idiom might sound strange at first, but it's a colorful part of the English language. So, let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. In one's cups is an idiomatic expression that dates back to Old English. This phrase is used to describe someone who is drunk or intoxicated. The cups in this phrase refer to drinking vessels, implying that a person has had too much to drink. It's a polite and somewhat old-fashioned way to talk about drunkenness. The origin of in one's cups can be traced back to a time when drinking alcohol was commonly done from cups. In historical literature, this phrase often appeared to describe characters who were under the influence of alcohol. It's a phrase that adds a touch of elegance and subtlety to the English language. In modern times, in one's cups is not as commonly used, but it still appears in literature and conversation. For example, after his third glass of wine, he was quite in his cups and began telling funny stories. You shouldn't make important decisions when you're in your cups. Using this phrase can add a literary or sophisticated touch to your speech or writing. There are other phrases in English that convey similar meanings, such as under the influence, more formal and legal term; tipsy, lightly drunk, less formal; three sheets to the wind, very drunk, more colorful and informal. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the phrase, in one's cups, and how it adds flavor to the English language. Remember, idioms like these can make your English sound more natural and expressive. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use them in your conversations. See you in the next video.